Hey everyone, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys my little outdoor brooder I have here. Now these chicks are at least a month old, maybe a month to 2 months old, and they're taking up too much space in the indoor brooder, and they don't need heat anymore, and it's pretty warm out still. So pretty much there's a ton of them in there. You can kind of see them. I threw some feed out there for them, but they're open fed. I got little open feeders in the back, but then you know, there's a lot of them, so I figure I could put a couple bowls out for them to eat. What we got here is some Rhode Island Reds, some Olive Eggers, and some Morans. Gonna have some blues and some blacks. I don't see any splashes right now. A couple I Am Samani over here. All weird looking, still not fully feathered. And I like to let them out during the day, and at nighttime I'll put them up, just kind of push them back in here. The fence is electric, but they still get in and out. It's not really a big deal. It's more to keep predators away from them. And these are some chicken tractors I built a while ago, and what they are is just they're meat bird tractors that I just converted into like little outdoor brooders. And they're always eating, so this is pretty standard for them, just constantly eating. They got some bell waters in here, and they have the little side waters on the inside as well. And then same thing in this one. I only have the 2 brooders in here. This one's some adult birds, just some breeders that I'm kind of keeping segregated for a little bit. And yeah, let's walk around, kind of check it out. All the wheels are off. The wheels are on this one because these are bigger birds. I'm not worried about them getting out from underneath, and they don't sleep on the ground. They sleep up on these roost bars. Whereas these guys, they'll sleep on the ground, and I don't want a raccoon to stick its arm under there and grab them. With the wheels off, it lays flatter up to the ground. And we just moved these guys out here a few days ago, and so it's like their first time, you know, really on grass. So it's nice for them to kind of get out here. And then as they tear this area down, we'll just move it forward. I'll just move the chicken tractors forward about 10-20 feet, and then I'll just move this fence, you know, a little bit more. Eventually they'll hit that compost pile up, and that'll be nice for them to dig through all that. All right, well, I just wanted to show you guys like how we do things on our farm. You know, we have an indoor brooder for the younger chicks, the ones less than a month old. And you know, they're on heat pads anyways, or little things like that. And chick starter. These guys are still on chick starter, but they don't get as much chick starter as the ones indoors. They get they're fed cracked corn, free choice, so it's always open. And then I come out here and I give them about 10 pounds of this stuff every day, just until they get, you know, a little bit bigger. And then eventually they'll go up to the barn where we keep all our chickens at. All right, well, hey, if you guys like watching these kind of videos, you know, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you like seeing chickens, subscribe for more chicken videos. Thanks for watching.